Continuing that discussion on system modernization, a lot of folks, whether we kind of talked about breakers and older style trip units were being replaced with newer style trip units. Same thing on medium voltage systems or systems that have, like they say, your older mechanical relays. You can see the older mechanical relays on this line right here. And once again, these things have operated tirelessly. They're great if you maintain, and once again, electromechanical relays are recommended to be maintained every year because once again, it's electromechanical device. So it's subject to, those types of failures. But like I say, replacing those with microprocessor-based relays, and in this case, the customer used multi-lin relays, but you can use an SCL relay, a Siemens relay. There's many manufacturers of microprocessor relays out there. But once again, we get a lot of the benefits from these types of relays, right? Not only do we get communications and oscillographic records and things like that, where we can analyze faults, we also get, once again, greater selectivity, once again, to manage our safety, to improve the minimize the arc flash hazards, et cetera.